Okay, hello and welcome to the weather update. It is about 8:15 on Saturday, May 8th, 2021, and kind of just a gray, dreary day, cool, with some really dark, ominous looking clouds at times, but really not much rain here, at least in Nassau County. It was fairly we had a few breaks actually towards sunset, but other than that, fairly dark, ominous clouds today across the area, and that's going to lead us to talking about what wound up happening in Toms River today. This is the satellite right now. We have mostly cloudy skies. They had a little more sun over New Jersey, so let's go over to the Toms River patch right now. And it should be on here unless they're falling asleep. And it looks like, yes, here we go. So this is what we got here. That is not, oh, come on, you guys suck. That's all the picture you have? All right, here's some more. So this is a tornado here. Well, yeah, this is it right here. Look at that. That's a waterspout. And that is right off of Toms River right there. That's a waterspout. Look at that thing. So, yeah, it's pretty impressive here. Here's another. Oh yeah, this is a better picture. So here you go. This is a really good picture here of what it looks like here. Look at that. There you go. There's the. I mean, a tornado. Who knew? Well, it's a water spout, but that's a tornado over water. And there was some hail actually reported with this storm as well. And we're gonna go look at it. What it looked like on the radar. Here's another video here. This is what it looks like here. Look at that. I mean, it's crazy. A tornado, really. Look at that. That's the one I wanted to show you. Look at that. Barnegat Bay near Seaside Bridge, shortly before 2:30 p.m. A tornado. That's crazy.
Woo!
Notice all lightning there too.
Or it's coming towards us.
That is nuts. That's a water spout, and that's a pretty big one
there?
too. Very well defined.
Woo!
Very well defined. Look at that. Look at that thing. Wow, that is insane. Here's another video. So very well taken. It's a water spout. Didn't really cause any destruction. It was mainly over the water, but still. Tornadoes in May offshore is kind of unusual, to say the least. And this is what the storm looked like on the radar right here. Actually see right here, I think it was this storm right here that produced it. It was around 3 o'clock, 2 or 3 o'clock that the storm moved through. You can see, look at how strong it was. So they did get some strong storms that popped up over New Jersey. Like I said, we didn't get anything really. We got a few light showers and sprinkles, and that was it. But they got some pretty strong storms here. Again, this is what it looks like on the radar here. Like I said, I can rewind the radar so you can see. There's that hook echo right there. That would be where the tornado would be, right there, or a water spout. But it's really a tornado over water. I mean, crazy to have a tornado, just nuts. Especially because nobody was calling for that today. We didn't think the conditions were favorable for it at all, which is kind of surprising. You'd think that they would have some, sometimes that happens sometimes. It just happens. So let's look at some of the current temperatures out there right now. Temperatures around 50 degrees across the area, even some upper 40s in Nassau County. Very cool day today. Very cool all across. I'm wondering if it's warmer in Jersey. Maybe that helped fuel the tornado. No, it's cool there too. Only around 50 degrees. We can look at the high temperatures today. Well, you know what? I'm not going to do it that way. We're going to do it this way. Let's go look at first of all, let's look at the current radar. See, nothing really to note, really. Not too much rain. It's mainly been over Jersey, just to the west of us. It looked like it would rain a couple of times today. It really did, but it really didn't get much of anything. I didn't see anything here, at least in central Nassau County. So let's go back to what I was looking at, which is, now I got to find what I was looking at. Oh, here we go, which is the Weather Service. So you can get an idea of what the weather was like today, looking at some of the observations. It was fairly, like Farmingdale got up only to 56. That was earlier. It had an east to south and then an east wind becoming south. Dew points are fairly low still. That probably helped keep things drier. Generally, dew points around 40 degrees. Yeah, same could be said for most of Long Island. Let me see if there's a difference in the air in New Jersey, which may have helped. Yeah, the dew point's a lot higher. It's 46 there, so it is more. There's more humidity in the air. now, but earlier there wasn't. It was fairly dry, but it did get significantly warmer there. It hit 60 in Toms River. So I guess that little bit, along with the steep lapse rates, and you can see west wind at 15 gusting to 21, probably helped, form that waterspout there off Toms River, which is pretty interesting to see for sure. Like I said, looking at some of the clouds today, they look kind of scary. They look kind of threatening, like the kind of thing you would see produce something. But here on Long Island, we really didn't get much of anything except a couple of raindrops, and that was it. So, again, it's warmer there in Jersey. More energy in the atmosphere produces more worse storms, I guess you could say. And there was hail with this, too, as well. Let me go to the Weather Service here. Let's see if they put anything, Mount Holly put anything up about this tornado. All right, yes, they did. Yes, this afternoon, they said, check out this waterspout. Let me go to their Twitter so I could bring this full screen here. Because this isn't something that happens every day. So this is the thunderstorm here that formed that waterspout. Crazy. I mean, nuts to have a waterspout. And they did issue a special marine warning out for this storm. They did. Look, well, no, this is for a different storm off Delaware. I don't know if they ever actually issued a warning for this storm. I don't think they did. I see some special marine warnings further south, but I don't see anything for, that. Wait, here we go. This probably is with this storm here, all right? Special marine warning. Line of showers will affect, and somebody said there was some hail. I was reading, they said that there was some hail. May contain small hail around pea size. So, wow, they had some real action there in Jersey. You wouldn't think of it, but again, when you have that upper-level cyclonic flow, that can cause that to happen, which is really quite interesting, to say the least. Oh, man, I hear another fire alarm going off. You got to be kidding me. It's a fire truck, actually. I don't hear I never heard an alarm go off, but that's not good. Could be another fire. Okay, let me focus on the weather here. I don't know if you could hear that or not. I don't know. But anyway, let's focus on the weather here. So the middle of the island is in some serious problems, but we're the weather update. So let's continue with the weather update, shall we? We're going to be dry overnight. We're going to slowly dry out, and we'll start off dry on Sunday, but then you can see this low approaching, and that's going to bring a chance of rain by Sunday evening. This low moves past. We dry out a little bit Monday, and then we try to build in some high pressure for Tuesday and Wednesday. It still looks like there's some upper-level troughiness that's kind of over the east here, so that might keep some clouds around. But we'll remain in a northwest flow at that high, kind of in that position, which will keep us cool. And right now, that other storm that was being forecast is now off. So this high may sit over us for a while and bring us some nice weather, hopefully. And then past that, here comes another. What is that? That's in the super long range. I'm not even going to focus on that. Let's get localized here. Yeah, I don't know. It's another fire. I don't know. A fire. We've been having so many. I don't know. It feels like, I don't know. Come on. Focus on the weather update, man. It's scary, man. All right. Most people living on the South Shore, man, you're everybody envies you. I don't envy you, all right? Because you're snobby and you only want to be with your own kind. But let's go to the HRRR. Why am I even talking about this on a weather update? I do apologize. This is as far as this HRRR run goes, so I have to go to the 18's, the HRRR run. So you'll see some scattered showers over the area tonight, but they're going to dissipate as we go into this evening. And then tomorrow should be dry, and then we got to watch this rain moving in. This will be ahead of a warm front, and it could start around, probably around, say, 6 o'clock tomorrow, 5, 6 o'clock. And then we get a little break. And then the low center kind of just moves over us, and then we get like a steady rain overnight, like say after midnight, a steady rain. And then we finally try to dry it out by later on Monday. So as far as how much rain we'll get, probably Not a terrible amount. Yeah, it's developing most of it to the north. We may only see a quarter of an inch of rain out of this. So it's not really developing a whole lot on the HRRR. And like I said, I really don't see us getting a ton of rain, but we will have to watch out for that rain possibility. Let me look at the NAM3 as well as we look at this rain possibility for tomorrow here. So you can see most of the rain's actually to the north, but it does develop a kind of a steady rain around 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. And then that rain would continue on. So generally, it's going to be dry, but once you get toward, say, after 5 o'clock, it's going to start raining. And it's going to be kind of a steady rain. It's not going to be like very scattered like what we had today. It's going to be a lot more widespread. So let me go back to the 18Z HRRR. We'll go ahead and look at how this all affects our temperatures. So we have... here we go, Sunday. You'll see here we are a little warmer than today because we're on more of a south flow. And again, with that warm frontal type of thing trying to move into the area. Then you can see where the showers actually hit, the temperature drops. Probably, maybe just because we'll have a little more sun, will be warmer. Because I don't think this is the warm front down here. Temperature drops with those showers, and then the warm air is suppressed. The HRRR seems to think that it's not going to make it to Long Island. But if you're in New Jersey, particularly Ocean County and south, you're going to get into that warm air for a little bit before the front moves through. And this is Monday right now. Temperatures mainly in the cool mid-50s. But if you're in Jersey, it'll be warmer than that. Let me go look at the dew points as well. That's a good way of showing you where the warm air is. So the good news is dew points do stay low tomorrow. So that will help to keep us dry, I think. And so some of this rain that may be falling may wind up evaporating. You can see the wind direction is starts off from the west, actually, northwest, and then becomes south later on. So there probably would be more of a sea breeze, I guess, in the afternoon, you could say. And then here comes, look at those dew points. Those humid dew points stay. The worst of it stays just to the south, but if you're in Jersey, it's definitely going to get humid late Sunday night into Monday morning, and then the drier air comes on through. Let me go look go back to our temperature forecast, and then we'll go ahead and we'll go to the GFS. So cool for Monday. Tuesday we get a little warmer. That'll indicate some sunshine. Here's Wednesday. Thursday, so we're getting a little warmer, a little closer to average now, all right? So we're close to around average, all right? Nothing really, maybe it starts to heat up by next Sunday, a week from there. I'm not going to go, I don't really want to go that far. So let's look at the skies here. Obviously, we'll get a little sun tomorrow morning, but then those high clouds are going to quickly roll in and thicken the mid-level clouds by the afternoon, and then the rain will start in the evening. Plenty of clouds for your Monday, it looks like, on the GFS, and some clouds for Tuesday. Maybe Wednesday would be the next clear day I think we could have. And then Thursday looks pretty nice. That front off just to the south there. It looks like that front does get hung up a little bit, but well enough to the south to keep us clear. Here's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday could be very nice too. So looks like we'll get into some nicer weather once we get get some ridging with that big high that'll build in next week. It'll bring us some nice sunshine. So let's look at the NAM now. This is the NAM for tomorrow. So you see we start off with clear skies, but the cirrus just rolls right in on us. So I don't see much nice blue skies for tomorrow. Plenty of clouds. For Monday, maybe we can thin those clouds out a little bit by the afternoon. And that's as far as I got with the NAM. I can go to the RGM as well. Show you what's going to happen here. So here is... Yeah, it's serious. It's just going to roll right in on us. So I don't expect a nice clear day tomorrow. I don't think you'll have some sunshine, but it'll, again, be filtered by thickening cirrus and with more and more of these clouds rolling in and thickening by the evening with the rain. Perhaps, hopefully the rain holds off until a little later for those with Mother's Day plans. And then here's Monday. You can see we do end with sunshine, and then Tuesday looks good. We're pushing that cirrus offshore. We could have a nice clear day on Tuesday, May 11th, perhaps a clear day. So that would really be nice if that was the case. We'll have to see what happens with that. But I think that's going to wrap up this weather update. So let me wrap it up, and I want to thank you for watching. And, of course, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there for tomorrow. Hopefully the weather will hold out so you can have a decent day. I think it will. Hopefully we can keep that rain away until like after 6 o'clock or so. Thanks for watching and take care.